What is up, people? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Mayur and you're watching The Bearded Geek. Well, in this video we're going to talk about a query asked to me on Quora by Harsh. How do you add Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and website links to your YouTube channel in 2020? With the recent change that YouTube has done on the studio, the creator studio of course, there is a different way that you will have to add the links. It's pretty much the same, but just the interface is a bit different. So let's move on the desktop screen to check out how do you do that. But just in case if you're new to the channel or watching my video for the first time, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon besides that. This way I will be able to reach out to you whenever I upload a new video, and that is quite often. Without any delay, let's get started. Alright, so here we are on the desktop screen. This is the channel, apna channel. Just go on your channel, click on the profile icon, click on your channel. By the way, happy Halloween, people. The moment you click on the channel part, click on customize channel, that's gonna make you land up on that particular page. It's just thoda bahut difference that YouTube has made in terms of the UX or interface. Baki, the process is gonna be the same as previously it was. Just click on basic info over here, over the place where we add about our channel information, and just scroll down a bit. Now here you will be able to add the title link, the title of that particular link, and then you can paste the link over here. Another part is you need to paste the links with HTTPS. You cannot go ahead and paste it with www, that's just better. Another thing which is important while adding links on your YouTube channel is that only the first 5 that you add, you can add as many links as you want, but only the first 5 that you add are going to get displayed on your channel. Meaning over here, I have added some 6 links or 5 links, I don't remember, but there are a total number of 6 links I guess, but only the first 5 links are visible on the channel. As you see, the first one I have is Buy Me a Coffee. It's basically a PDF that you can go ahead and check out. It helps you to create your digital presence. The second one is my website. The third is my Instagram. There is a Quora product, the space that I am an admin of, and then there is my Pinterest group board. So that was one thing very important. You need to know that whatever links, how many links you add, it's the first 5 which are gonna get displayed. Another thing, what about the other ones which you have added? So they are gonna get displayed on your channel in the about section. For example, you click on this about section over here and it is going to display it over here. So in case a user comes on your channel and visits the about me page, he's going to be able to see this particular thing. Well, that was about it. I hope this answer was helpful, Harsh, and I'll be back with another hack for you guys. Till then, keep watching my channel and keep geeking, people. In case if you want to get in touch with me on social media accounts, I just told you where to find me, or you can check out the links in the video description below. Apart from this, if you are willing to, if you want to go ahead and watch other videos related to YouTube, you can check out the playlist section. I'm sure you will find something interesting as per your interest. That's about it. See you the next time.